In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the colour picker here in Canva. Now, if there's a colour on your canvas in your design that you want to use the colour of in something else in your design, then you want to use the colour picker. Now, let's go ahead and match this red, or change this red to match up with one of the blues in this image. Now, what we want to do is click onto the element that we want to change the colour of. We're then going to come up to the little colour icon just here. We're going to come over to the left and click on this little plus icon. Now from here, we want to come down to the eyedropper, which is just here. And then once we click on there, all we have to do is hover over the colour that we want to use. Let's go with the darker blue. So we're going to hover over that. Then as soon as we click on that, just like that, it's then going to use that colour in the element that you want to change. So let's go ahead and do this red again. So we're going to click on there, come up to the little colour icon, come to the little plus icon, we're going to click on the colour picker, and then we're going to choose that blue again. But instead, let's go ahead with this lighter blue, just like that. And now those colours have been matched up with the image which is in our design. But nonetheless, that's how to use the colour picker here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.